Wow, my people, this is Mr. Aladeris. You know this business. I was working with Chicken Republic and they were paying me 15,000 naira as my salary. But I realized there was a future there. I was praying to God, and God showed me new life. Today, my life has changed. My story never remained the same. If it can work for me, it can also work for you. All you need is to believe in yourself, know what you are doing. Don't let anybody discourage you. I'm not better than you in any form, but I believe in myself. You can do it as well. And this place I'm coming from, Durban, all expenses paid by New Life Professional. Hello, if I can work this business, forget your certificate, forget your background, your story can change through your life. I want to see you achieving your dreams. The next dream will be there. Hello, don't worry about the future. Your life will take care of the business. The future. Keep sparking, keep crazy, keep dreaming. You are there already. See you guys.
Find your real life because of this opportunity. Travel to times this opportunity. If you are outside there, you are not doing your business. Start doing your business now. Everything is possible to grow your business.
Okay, alright. Matter the matter. As you can see, we are inside the plane. We are traveling all the way from Durban. We are going to Addis Ababa. Man's talking to you. My name is Jagaban, aka Mr. Jackson. I joined this wonderful organization nearly 9 years ago. And before the business opportunity, I was a recharge card seller. I was selling recharge card, and at the same time, one way or the other, nothing was forthcoming. Until one day, one way or the other, I was introduced to New Life. And I started the business, and today, the business have changed my life. Because of this business, I've traveled, and you can see inside the plane. At least I have my own house, my own car, and that the business have really transformed my life. So my advice for you is that if you're watching me, whether you're a guest or your own partner, you need to get serious. If you're a guest, you need to sign up. Your own partner, get serious because it's time to get committed. Because all of us you are saying here, we are people that get committed to their business. That's why New Life is taking us to travel. So I thank you very much, and I believe with this small short talk, you can add value to your life.
Yeah, I think what Muslim is the name. In real life world, I am a very well known face. I'm a two-diamond director of the business. Right now, as you can see, I'm in a plane coming from the beautiful city of Durban. And why are we here? It's just a very simple thing. You know, the reward of empowering people, the reward of making sure that you dedicate yourself to making sure that no one ever falls sick again, making sure that no one ever have the issue of poverty. The more you can do this, the more successful you become. Now you have to understand that no success comes easy. It comes only by the always as a result of discipline attitude. You need to be disciplined. You know, after registration into the business, it's not just going to happen like that. You have to back it up with some actions, dedicated action. That is the name of the game. But of course, it shouldn't be difficult. Since poverty itself is not easy. It's not easy to be poor. Why it's so distasteful. So why should you not be ready to put in the price to achieve what will make life easier for you? So I'm challenging you today. Make sure that you are never left out whenever there is treat, lifestyle. Make sure you do what you're supposed to do so that you can always be part of it. And I hope to meet you on the Miss of the World soon.
This is JP to Kosara Meeting, aka Abaijo, latest one diamond director. I was a computer technician for 11 years before New Life. Nothing to show. Join New Life and I begin New Life. You see, when I join New Life, that's when I begin New Life. day I got the glory as a diamond director. I've traveled around the world. This is my 11th time traveling with Neo Life. And over that 11th time, I've touched more than 19 to 20 international airports in the world. Only this trip alone, I touched through 4 airports. From Mumbai International Airport to Ethiopia International Airport, from Ethiopia International Airport to Joburg, on Hamburg International Airport in Johannesburg, then to Shaka International Airport. Just look at me. If I can do it, you can do it better. Join your life and explore the world. Stay focused and stay tuned. And you will make it. Thank you.
Good day, everybody. My name is Olalere Money, and I'm distributor. I'm a one-diamond director. Through this business opportunity, before this opportunity, I'm just a bike rider. I did it for about 6 years. Before a stranger saw me, I thought he's a passenger and introduced the business to me. And that is how I partnered. Only me to continue it is happening for better. Guys, every month we earn a lot of millions. Millions is just like no thing. To the business opportunity, we are just coming all the way from Durban to Addis Ababa. Last month I was at Sun City. Last 3 months, which is November, I was in Dar es Salaam. By July, I was in Zanzibar. And by May this year again, I'll also be in Prague. So guys, things are very sweet. So if you are there doubting it, you are wasting time. If you have results, continue. If you don't have results, just continue. Either good, continue. Either bad, continue. The secret is consistency.
Wow, Faster Cisco. This is Azan Akim, aka CEO Jagaba. For this wonderful opportunity, I'm a salary earner with Nigeria Bottle Company. I worked there for 3 months and I ran away because that salary cannot save my life. The family I came from, they have been doing the same thing over and over and they are getting the same result. So I have to do something special, something different that can bring success to my family. And I find no life. And today, I give God the glory. The future is very bright and it keeps brightening on a daily basis. One thing I will just tell you that New Life is full of promises. Don't lose hope. Don't give up. Because not happen to you today, that doesn't mean you should give up. You have to keep on doing it. Before, we don't have money to travel. But today is very, very easy for us. If we can do it to this level, you too can do it. Just believe in yourself.
Wow. It's so fantastic. Right now, we are enjoying inside the plane. We are eating, I don't know what to eat dinner. Very fantastic. Wine, everything, they are doing us. Courtesy of one beautiful opportunity called New Life. If you are watching this video, you don't have to suffer. If you are watching this video, your life doesn't have to be miserable. The way the video is traveling, you can be traveling like that. All you need to do is to join this opportunity called New Life, and your life will become a new life. Thank you.
Hello. Yeah, I was a professional computer engineer and a computer village in Nigeria before this wonderful opportunity. But today, glory be to God, I want to qualify for the director and making a lot of money. Today, we have been traveling for the past how many days now, and everything in life, if you don't know what you are doing, you still remain where you are. And today, if you believe in yourself and see possibility and join this wonderful opportunity to have to transform positively, like just it. You can see me, I'm enjoying my life, I'm the end of my life. So come and join me. Yeah.
Anyway, Awal Yunus is my name. I was a former teacher. I collected 13,000 naira before New Life opportunity. The New Life opportunity was shown to me, and I gave the business a trial. And today I'm a qualified 3 diamond director in the business. So my people, if
I can do this business, from 13,000 naira and earning millions every 30 days today. I truly believe it can happen for you. You really need to believe in yourself and be more committed, be more disciplined. Make sure you are going to training, don't joke with training. So if you are doing all this, I can assure you that you surely get to the top. And if you are watching the video clips for the first time, so make a decision, a right decision to join your life opportunity, and you never regret. I want to see you taking that decision. I want to see you at the top. I want to see you at the beaches of the world. I don't know what you see, no matter, but I always see possibilities. Thank you.
Hello, my name is Solia Brother. I was a primary 6. I only finished primary school. I'm also a radio mechanic. At the same time, I sell bread on the streets. But not into so. But I enjoy this wonderful opportunity. One day, today, I will stand up for Diamond Director. Today, I am totally financial independent. Today, I'm totally financial freedom. You know what I mean by financial freedom? You having money in bank more than what you and your family can spend. Ability not to know poverty for the rest of your life. If all of these things can happen for you, can also happen for you as well. Here we are on the plane, enjoying life. I've been traveling over 12 years ago, since 2009. So, and I continue traveling. Enjoyment is not for one person. You are human being like you. If you can make a decision and get rid of excuse, the power to do it is in you. God bless you.
This is Samuel and Douglas. Before New Life, I was a student. I came from a very poor family. I just wanted my life to be better. And thank God I came across New Life and I joined the business. Today I'm a diamond. Can you see we are in a plane, we are enjoying our life because of New Life. If you must become something in 5 years to come, that means you must start something today. Don't waste your time. It's the right time for you. It's the right opportunity in order to change your life. And you distributors, you need to focus on the future. Don't look left or right. You need to focus. If we can do it, why not you? I believe you can do it. You can do it better. You can become great. You can be having lifestyle like this. Like you say, you are in the plane, you are just eating, whining, and dining. You ask whatever you want. You can care for everything. So this is the best opportunity so far. Just make sure you make the right decision and determined to succeed. Thank you.
Otochukwu Vitalist is my name, from Anambra State. See, before I met somebody that showed me this new life opportunity, I was just a miserable Okada rider. But you see, today, life has changed because new life has changed our lives. You see, we are just in the plane. We're coming back from where we went to enjoy ourselves in Durban, understand? So you see that we are feeding, we are just eating, enjoying ourselves in the plane. You too can be here. You too can join us. If you believe in yourself, you do what we do, you get what we get. The secret, when we start, we listen to our leaders and we attend the training. Never joke with training. If you want to succeed in your business, don't joke with training. If you do it like that, you're going to join us very soon. I want to see you at the top.
Abdullah Isolos Soccer is my name. I'm a native of Kwara State. For this opportunity, I as well went to school. What is opportunity? Wonderful opportunity met in my hand. I happen to be a useless professional video cameraman. As a professional video cameraman, nothing to write about. Like today, through New Life International, I'm one of the 4 movie directors in the industry, going to 5 Diamond director. My lovely brother and sister hear me for the first time as a guest. Sign up in this business. have nothing to lose. When I say sign up in the business, why do you need to sign up? Take a look at the way your mother is living their life. Take a look at the way your father is living their life. You do really like the life to continue like that? If this answer is no, that is the reason why you have to sign up in the business. Existing distributor, commitment, 100% committed, physically, mentally, spiritually, emotionally. 5 Diamond Directors for sure. Thank you.
Hello, Nigeria. This is Adeyemi by name. I'm a co-member with Only Life Business. Today, I'm a brand new 2B director, going to 5 Diamond Director. Watching this video as a guest, if you can do it to 2 director, you can do it as well. Go and register ASAP for distributor, wherever. Make sure that you take your next step. About to take your next step, be fully committed, don't miss training. Whatever all the people are saying to you, what people are saying to you doesn't matter. No matter what you say to yourself, believe in yourself, you can do it, go and change your life, and let's see at the beauties of the world. Thank you.
Every day is a great day. I don't want to see possibility. I'm sure God Almighty is a lot of opportunities. It's what you want to get. My name is Taki Song, private guys division. For your life, I've done a lot of things. I've failed so far and no results. Now, I was achieving great opportunities since I've been partner with a lot of opportunities. And not recent now, I've become brand new private director. I'm not going to give a brief about this business. So, in this business, any seed we are sowing, we are building an establishment of the future. So you don't have to see it as trying to get confused or face a lot of challenges and not get confused. You are building an eternity future that's for your family and yourself. So you have to put more effort. Put more effort so that you can yourself to the next future. To achieve these opportunities. You have to travel around the whole world, enjoy yourself, lifestyle and freedom, and have independence for yourself. I wish you all the best because and get more serious. See you at the top.
My simple element where I was considering this is I was honest finance and church card because I was struggling I was with a bit of water process and I never knew this opportunity to be and to get started that business and pay the price for the price and the price for the party and everything for the business and strong at the end of the day it was to
I don't have it here.
Good afternoon, good morning, good night. Physical workers, company at the Babas. For this wonderful opportunity, I was serving electrical video and your DD for 10 years. Beside me, the floor of the family. That's the reason why I'm going to I enjoy the business. But today, I understand that the director, I should probably director in your company, every single month, negative million. If that happens to me, it can happen to me. I'm not that one going to this business because being a background for that body beside the brother, you are inside the place now, you are coming from Europa, that National they need to travel and 21 times to power. It can happen to me, it can happen to you. Do the right thing and the right thing. You can join this business, you never regret. Yeah.
9 years I did a Canada to shoot until I joined this other opportunity and I thank God today as a television director. I've entered plane 10 times. I'm not going to come out before. Enter plane 10 times. Enter plane, I did 12 times. Enter plane. If I can do it, I say to the government, you can do it. Like, just listen to your leaders. Whatever they say you should do, just do it. And I want to see you in the next week. Thank you.
That was allowed to this man. I came from a poor family. I needed to change our life. Someone sold me this business opportunity. I never hesitated to join the business. I joined the business to be in Lagos Church. I bought myself a very brand new island at Itaji. I'm making very close to every 30 days. This is my 10th mission.
New Life International. If this can happen to us, I want to believe it can as well happen to you. Joining the business opportunity, it's a favor for you and your next generation to get born. As you can join New Life International, your life will never be the same. Thank you.
Fantastico. Sunana Hajiya Habiba Isiyaka Adamu. Na fito daga Arewa. Kafin samu wannan dama, ni matan aure ce ina da yara. Ina abubuwa da yawa in samu kuɗi saboda mai bana son zauna. Wata rana na zauna sai na ga cewa mutane da su zo magana. Wallahi tallahi bai yarda da su ba. Amma da suka ce bada in zo in gani. Shi na ji na duba. Ni ma na ga bambanci da mai kuɗi da masu kuɗi. Mai kuɗi idan ka mutu ba kuɗin ka ya mutu. Amma masu arziki idan ka mutu mutanenka za su samu arziki sosai saboda haka da suka nuna mun nan gane sai na fara shekara na shida yanzu na yi tafiya na biyar ke wani ne rayuwa kake so ka samu ina jira Najeriya ya zo ya taimaka maka Najeriya ka zo ka taimaka musu Najeriya ba kamar da ba ne yara mu da muka haifa wacce iri hannu kana so ka rero su sun je makaranta sun dawo ba aiki sun zama amurka abin ya kamata ya zama haka saboda haka matan arewa ku tashi a tsaye lallace mai gida ya yadda muka yi wannan sana'a ku dage ku dauki mataki in ka yi abin da na yi za mu haɗu a nan da jirgi wata rana Okay. To tell you, New Life came to us as at when we needed it most. For this wonderful opportunity, I have worked as an employee for 10 years. I'm a graduate and my salary then was 35,000 naira. And you know how they treat us. Your salary will never come at the end of the month. You get it. So this wasn't going well. At the point I resigned.